Creator of all that is, I be downloaded with the Creator's perspective of my karma. Please help me cut the karmic cords between me and take the name of the other person. Pray that all ties of pain, fear, guilt, anger, expectation, and past vows be released from space, time, and every dimension now. So it is done, so it is witnessed, so it is. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. You're safe, you're ready to rise beyond the bounds of the past. Wherever you are right now, relax yourself completely, surrender yourself completely. Keep your eyes closed, either lie down or sit with your spine straight. Now imagine the Creator's white light entering your crown chakra and infusing into every cell, every tissue, every organ of your body. This is the Creator's white light, the light of love. Embrace it, merge into it. You are covered in an egg-shaped orbit of white light. You're safe, you're cocooned, you're protected. See your soul rising above your body, much above the human realms, into the divine consciousness. You're feeling light as air, like mist in the morning sun. You're floating upward, leaving behind the density of earthly attachments. Higher and higher you go through layers of blue, violet, and silver light, and you become the light of white brilliance. This light begins to move, carrying you further into a land that only your soul remembers. You arrive in a place far away from the earth. The sky is lavender, the wind is blowing, and you see a large ancient house made up of stone and glass. You start walking slowly towards it. You open the door. It is a grey colored door, and you enter inside. This house is huge, and the inside is serene. Your footsteps are echoing as you're passing through a long corridor. It is lined with crystals. They are glowing. At the end of the corridor, you find a staircase. It is leading you down to a hidden basement. You descend slowly towards the basement. You feel a connection. When you reach the bottom, you find a grey colored door. It is heavy, made up of metal, but it is not locked. You open it and enter inside. The room is dim but calm. There are two chairs placed across each other. One is for you, and the other is for the other person, which is already occupied. The other person is already sitting there waiting for you. You sit across them. No arguments, no pain, no discomfort. For a moment, you both look at each other, look into their eyes. You're together, you acknowledge each other, you witness each other, but without words. You look into their eyes, you can see 3 cords between you both. See the three energetic cords that connects you both. It may stretch from your heart to theirs, from your solar plexus chakra to theirs, from your navel to theirs. Notice the color of these cords from your end and from the end of the other person. Is it red? Is it white? Is it gray? Is it black? Or is it any other color? What is the color? Observe what it looks like. Is it a thick rope? Is it a strand of light? Is it a rusted chain? It represents shared karma, past emotions, lingering vows. Now tell this person, as we move through our lives, growing, learning, and evolving, we must let go of that which no longer serves us. When we let go, we will create space. This space is that of potential, of possibilities, of new beginnings. I'm leaving you here for some time to discuss with this person all your issues. Empty your heart out. Discuss all your problems. It can be your hatred, it can be your pain, it can be your hurt, your anger. This is the moment. It is now time to release. After all the discussions you have had with this person, you can see the Creator's white light coming from above, falling on these cords, dissolving them completely. Imagine it getting cut with Creator's white light. Please say to the other person, I now release you, and I release myself from this pain, from this memory, to all my present and past karmas attached with you. With this tool, which has appeared in your hand, gifted by the Creator, it could be a sword of pure flame, golden scissors, or a crystal blade. Cut it. Cut all the three cords. Cut your cords first from your navel, then from your solar plexus chakra, and finally from your heart chakra. Pull out all the residue of the cords from all 3 points. Now caress the 3 points from your ends and the other person's ends, as if putting ointment on the wounds of these 3 points. Put ointments at your ends and at the wounds of the other person. Now get up and hug this person very tight. Keep on hugging them. While hugging them, say this: I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Keep hugging this person till you feel completely released, completely light. I'm giving you time. Silently keep on repeating, I am sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, I love you. Say silently, I thank you for all that was. I release you with love. Keep hugging this person. Cry if you want to cry. Completely, tightly hug them. Release all the attached karmas. See the cords falling away. It turns to dust and to light. Dissolving into the floor, return to the source from which all things come. Look at this person one last time. Say your goodbye. Now rise from your chair. Don't look back. Exit the basement. and walk back through the house. Feel lighter, feel freer. The Creator's white light is wrapping around you again into that egg-shaped structure which is waiting for you. You merge into it, it is bringing you back into the human realms and back into the present moment. Gently wriggle your fingers, rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and come back to the present moment.